Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I've got a super quick one for you really. I was inspired by another channel. I will link the original video up in the eye to check out the Temu latch hook kits. So I got myself one, it's arrived. Let's take a look at it. So, right. I have done one latch hook kit before, not from Temu. It was a random one off Amazon. But this is how I would expect it to come. So these are our little bales of coloured wool. That all makes sense. I understand what I'm looking at. We've got some little extra bits there. Right, okay. So I can see we've got a little needle. It's been poked into some foam for safety. That's a good idea. We've got our latch hook itself, which if you've not seen one before, it's called a latch hook because this bit opens and shuts basically. We've got some embroidery thread. Okay, and this is what I've chosen, and this is what it will hopefully look like when it's finished. So they have used the embroidery thread to attach it to this rod, so it works as a wall hanging. What I will probably do is leave it as a little mini rug, and then it'll become a cat bed, which is what happened to the last one. So we've got quite nice clear colour instructions, which is very nice. Explains everything, how to do it, how is it becoming a tapestry. So they are suggesting that when you're finished you then sew the felt, this felt here, onto the back, rather than having the exposed mesh. Oh, and here we go. Here is our picture. I'm definitely gonna, I don't know, I was gonna say I won't be able to see it if I work on the desk, but it's not too bad. But yeah, so you use the colours on here as a guide as to what colour to hook. I think it seems like a perfectly good kit. I will pop on screen the price because I need to go and look that up. I haven't done that yet. But yeah, I think this was a good purchase. Everything that I need is here. I wasn't even sure if it was going to come with a hook. so that's brilliant. It looks like it's quite a nice shaped one. Doesn't, you know, it looks sturdy, like it's going to hold up to being well used. Yeah, I guess remains to be seen whether we have enough colours, but that's just one of those things that you can't tell that in advance. So yeah, so these colours in here, this bright yellow is going to be the flower on top of the cactus. This orange is going to be for the sun. We've got some white for the cloud, and then a little bit of this warmer brown. So then that's going to be the outline of the cactus, the main colour of the cactus, a lot of the background colour, obviously, and then 2 more shades of brown. So it all looks like it should come together quite nicely. I think this is the sort of thing that I might be able to work on in a live, so hopefully you will get to see me having a go with it. As I say, it's not my first time doing latch hook kits, but I would not say I was an expert. I've done one. So, but yeah, once you get into the rhythm, it's quite a nice thing to do while you sit and chat. I enjoyed the first latch hook kit because, again, it's something that doesn't keep me confined to my desk. I can, sort of work on my lap on the sofa and I don't feel like I have to be apart from everybody else in order to craft. I can craft and be social at the same time. So if that's important to you, then a small latch hook kit like this might be just the ticket. So I don't really have a lot else to say at this time. I am not sponsored or affiliated. It was just that I had seen other people with these and yeah, thought I would give it a go. And yeah, so far, you know, just from opening the kit, I'm happy with what I got. And so let me know, have you done a latch hook kit? Where did you get it from? What was it? Feel free to pop on over to the Facebook group and share some photos if you want to. I'm very nosy like that. I like to see what you've all been getting up to. And in the meantime, I will get myself started working on this. It'll be a nice... I'm really feeling the summer vibes at the moment. It's all been sunflowers and cactuses. Yeah, which is not like me. I don't like the summer, but yeah, this I thought was really cute. So yeah, let us know what you've been up to. Obviously, if you want to share this video with somebody else and recommend that they have a go at latch hooking, that would also be grand. Anything that tells the algorithm that my videos are worth watching is always good. And on the subject of my channel, please do remember that if you would like to support the channel, you can do so by liking, sharing, leaving a comment, subscribing if you haven't already, hitting the bell icon so that you can be told next time I upload a video. And if you wish to support me more directly, you can become a channel member. It is just 99p per month. I will send you some stickers and you get early access to videos. If you want to join at the higher level, you will also get access to our monthly Zooms and you will get a box of goodies on your birthday month. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you for joining me in this new little mini unboxing. I am, yeah, looking forward to this one. So I'm going to leave this here and until next time, stay crafty.